Hello everybody, in today's video I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I had to pick up some stuff for our upcoming trip to Disney World, as well as a few things here at the house. Just as a reminder before I jump into that, collab video, July 31st, 8 a.m. Eastern. Everybody is open to participate if you want. So basically the premise of the collab video is I'm going to Disney and I wanted to declutter my house. Those are two separate things. I needed to get rid of clutter in my house and I'm going to Disney. And so I was thinking, well, I will have more motivation to declutter my house if I sell things and put that money towards our Disney tickets. So that's what the collab video is all about. Next week is decluttering the house, putting that money towards our Disney tickets, and the motivation in and thereof. So if you want to participate and you're just starting now and you're like, ooh, you're welcome to it. I will be putting everybody that participates in that collab video in a playlist kind of attached to that video. So just let me know if you want to participate. You can be mid declutter process. You could just be starting. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be at the end. I'm, spoiler alert, probably only going to be halfway through. So I'd love to have you guys participate if you want to. Those videos are going up 8 a.m. Eastern time, July 31st. Declutter your house for Disney or for whatever it is you want. Even if you're not going to Disney and you want to declutter your house and you want to make a little money on the side, doesn't matter. You don't have to go to Disney. That's just my motivation because I needed something to keep me going to declutter my house. So anyway, all right, let's get into the Dollar Tree haul. This is the first thing. I'm super excited about it. So you see these sequin things? I love these. So this is it says, they call it a reversible sequin bin, and they had lots of different colors up at the register, and it is 7 inches high, 7 inches deep, and 9 inches wide. And these sequins are reversible. So one direction is rose gold, the other direction is silver, and I just think it's awfully cute. Isn't that great? And it does come with an insert that you can use to keep the bin open, which is nice as well if you want to use that. So I'm going to be packing this in our suitcase when we go down to Disney. We obviously use essential oils. It's like a big thing for us and for all the things. And so I like to keep them corralled together on the like nightstand right by the bed, if there is one in the hotel that we're staying in. And rather than just keeping them in a Ziploc bag or something, I figured I'll just throw this in my suitcase and then we can just toss our essential oils right in here and then just know where they are at all times. So I just thought that was super cute too. I can use it at home to put things in. I was super excited about this. So $1, not a bad deal. Great for like a kid's room, back to school kind of stuff. So I was excited about that. Other travel things, I got 3 of these guys, the travel like Toiletry Bottles. So they have a 3-pack in here. They have some of them that have a spray top on them too, but I have enough spray toppers. I didn't need that. So I got 3 identical ones of these. I like to travel with my own toiletries, and so I decant them into these kind of little things at home. So I have everything small. I'm not bringing massive bottles, and it just works out well for our packing situation. I got 2 of the Scrub Buddies reusable cleaning gloves, one for here at the house and then one to take with us traveling. When we travel, we're actually staying in 2 places off-site, and both have like a sink area, kitchenette kind of sink area. And so I like to be able to wash out whatever it is I need to wash out while we are traveling. So I just bring the gloves with us. And then I also got these because I need to bring a sponge with me. I love these. These are the Estracel dual-sided sponges. The bottom light blue part is like a very fine porous sponge, and then the top part's a non-scratch little scrubby. So it works really, really good to get grime off of pans and stuff. What I do with these, I actually cut them in half. I've never had the need to have a really big sponge, so I cut both of these in half. I get 4 sponges out of it. They last a really long time, and I'm going to travel with one of the little quarters here, so that'll work really good. I got these for Mr. Simple Life. He likes to use these on his face. They are the cotton rounds. So it's a pack of 80 cotton rounds in here. So those will last a really long time. With his face care routine, he uses like witch hazel and tea tree or lavender essential oils with his witch hazel. So that works really good for him to put that on. Scotch tape. They had this at the register. We were out of tape here at the house. So I needed some Scotch tape. And then I was also in need of a Sharpie marker, and they had one of those too. So I got one of those. Black Sharpie, also again at the register. These will probably end up going on sale somewhere, probably like Staples or somewhere, I don't know. But I don't really do back to school shopping at all because I don't have any kids going back to school or anything. So I not going to be shopping sales. I just didn't care. I don't know. So I've talked about the Dollar Tree socks a lot. I love the Dollar Tree socks. I really do. And I know I'm not alone in that. So I got another set for me. It's a pack of 2. And I like them because they have a really light mesh upper part. So your feet don't get super hot. But they also have different colors. So it was a really nice find. Really cushy bottom. I love these. And then I actually got some for Mr. Simple Life too. They had some that matched the women's socks, and I was like, we're going to get these confused. So I got him some black and white ones, and they also come with black socks there too. Just as spongy, made the exact same way. I've never seen them in men's sizes. I've only seen the women's sizes, so I was excited. I think he'll really like these a lot. Just be careful if you're walking on like tile or porcelain. They can be a little slippery, so just be careful of that. But I really like them. They're really cushy and awesome. And then the last thing that I got for my essential oil family, I like to send them cards when they get their starter packs, and so I got a pack of, or 3 packs of 8 cards, and these are actually Hallmark brand. I was like, what? So yeah, I've never seen actual packs of Hallmark cards before. They obviously have like single Hallmark cards, but I've never seen the actual packs of them. So 8 for $1. Pretty good price. So they all say hi, super cute. If you join my essential oil family, you'll get one of these cards right here. How about that? So that is it. That is my Dollar Tree haul. I spent about $17 at the Dollar Tree today, which I think is a pretty good deal for everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already and you'd like to, hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Happy Dollar Tree shopping. See you all tomorrow. Ciao.